Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I am giving you demonstration how to set your own background to Google Chrome tab. It's very simple and you can set any kind of image, theme, animation look like this way. I already set one image in my Google tab, so let's start as a demonstration. First of all, open your Google tab. Here one options are come in bottom side, custom this page. You click there and such kind of tab are coming. So here several backgrounds are available, some shortcuts are available, color and themes are available. So first of all, I click the background and then landscape, and you can choose any picture whatever you want, and here several pictures are available and all pictures are fantastic and fabulous. Like this, I select this picture and set this background. It's very simple and useful. All tab are more attractive, and like this way you can add here shortcuts also. So I add here Sangram and I type here my personal website sangramsingh.com and then enter. So this is my personal website and I can move anywhere wherever I want, and just click there. So my personal websites are open. You can use these features and enjoy. Suppose I click here YouTube, so directly I comes in my YouTube channel. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.